Alright, so this is the 88mm turbo that Cletus sent me, and this is the car I bought to put it on. Cleet called me today and asked me when I was going to put this turbo on this car. I gave him the answer of I was going to wait until I found someone to do it all and had all the parts collected, and then just get it all done at once. And then he was like, no, you're supposed to put it on and then break it and then fix it one piece at a time. And he baited. I'm taking the bait. He got me. He's right, and that is what I need to do. I got to put it on now. So I guess we're going to be putting the 88 on the C5 and seeing what happens. I really wanted to drive the car all summer, launch my jet skis with it, that kind of stuff. But if it's broke half the summer, it's broke half the summer. It just means we're going to have to work on it. So let's open this thing up. You got tired of staring at this box?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been in the living room for a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been in the living room for a long, long time. It's been in there for a lot of months.
It's been in there for a couple months now, yeah.
Oh, it says your name, I think.
It does. They spelled it with a Y. What the heck's wrong with you people? I-E. Man, come on, dude. At least you put 2 D's in there, you know?
Yeah.
If you'd put 1 D, I'd have been like, what's wrong with you? Alright. Oh, look. Cletus! You did it yourself! Alright, I forgive you, brother. Look. January 4th.
Oh.
That's
I didn't
the day
see
that, remember, I told you how...
Oh, yeah.
Remember, the doctor was like, you need to get some new clothes. Your clothes are falling off your body. And I was like, man, they're right. And the doctor was like, you should probably get on there and buy something from Cletus. It's your time.
And then you did.
And I did it. It was January 4th, and I bought the LS George shirt.
Was that from the video that you were in Florida that when you went to saw him at the beginning?
Right before my birthday, after Christmas, after the surgery. Remember, I had surgery in December.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
And then I had the surgery on December 5th. So then he picked my name on January 4th, and then January 8th, I wrecked my other car. Remember?
Oh yeah.
And then on January 9th, he called me.
Yeah.
And it has just been one big blindfolded mission from God ever since. Just, I don't know what. Maybe it's just a learning experience for me. Maybe it's a learning experience for you. Maybe it's something for someone we don't even know yet.
You shouldn't. Cletus would probably see this.
He might. I don't know.
Yeah, he might.
Brother. Where do you think we should put it?
I don't know. Probably like right there. I don't know.
You know, this would probably be like an Uncle Ethan helping us thing.
Yeah.
Uncle Ethan's our resident race car builder.
Yeah.
Here. So we'll probably just go up to the shop and have Uncle Ethan start quarterbacking some of this, all right?
Yeah.
Thanks for being here with us. Tell him bye.
Bye.
Wave. Uh-oh. What shirt you got on?
A Riley shirt.
How ironic is that? What are the odds? Turn around. It's the turbo shirt. Look at that. Let's go.